What if I told you there's trillions of dollars worth of gold, platinum, and rare metals just sitting on the moon, untouched, unguarded, and now officially up for grabs? And here's the wild part. Earth's biggest space agencies and billionaires are already racing to get there first. Stick around, because what happens next could reshape economies, rewrite space law, and possibly start the first interplanetary gold rush. We all know the moon. It's romantic. It's poetic. It's the thing werewolves freak out about. But under that dusty, cratered surface, there are resources, and lots of them. Helium-3, which could power clean nuclear fusion, platinum group metals used in electronics, EVs, and satellites, even water ice, which can be turned into rocket fuel. Here's where it gets juicy. NASA, China, private companies like SpaceX, and a lesser-known firm called Moon Express, they're not just going up for science anymore. They're scouting for mines. Just like the gold rushes of the 1800s, but this time it's not about pickaxes. It's about rockets, robots, and international legal loopholes. Let's talk treasure. Studies of lunar meteorites and Apollo-era samples suggest the moon's crust contains high concentrations of rare earth elements and platinum group metals, stuff we use in smartphones, catalytic converters, and quantum computers. One element getting major attention? Helium-3. It's virtually non-existent on Earth. But on the moon? It's embedded in the soil thanks to billions of years of solar wind bombardment. In theory, just 25 tons of helium-3 could power the entire United States for a year without radioactive waste. Right now, NASA's Artemis program is working to land humans back on the moon by 2026. China's space agency plans a robotic mining base near the moon's south pole by 2030. And private companies? They're filing patents, testing lunar drills. Even Jeff Bezos has talked about moving heavy industry off Earth. But here's the plot twist. The Outer Space Treaty of 1967, yes, that's a thing, says no nation can own the moon. But it doesn't say anything about private companies using the moon's resources. This legal gray zone? It's leading to what some call space colonialism 2.0. Because whoever builds first gets the most. Okay, let's talk practicality. Can we actually mine the moon? Short answer, not yet. But we're getting shockingly close. Companies like Astrobotic and iSpace are already building lunar landers and prospecting rovers. NASA's funding lunar resource extraction experiments. The key challenges? Extreme temperatures, no atmospherics, no protection from radiation, high cost of launch and return. But new tech like autonomous mining bots, 3D printed habitats, and reusable rockets is making it possible. In fact, some engineers estimate the first moon mines could be operating by the late 2030s. Here's why this matters to you. If moon mining takes off, it could crash the price of rare metals on Earth, spark a new tech boom driven by cheap materials, make clean fusion energy a real possibility, and yes, trigger space conflicts over resource rights. Imagine a future where wars aren't fought over oil, but over craters. There's even talk that this could reshape global power. Nations that dominate lunar mining could dominate Earth's economy for centuries. But there's another possibility, a collaborative effort where countries unite to build a shared lunar economy. Think the ISS, but full of robots and gold. The moon has always inspired poetry, love songs, and bedtime stories. Now it might also inspire economies, conflicts, and technological revolutions. So next time you look up at the night sky, ask yourself, is that a dead rock or the next Silicon Valley? Because the next gold rush might just be out of this world.